Here in this video, we will show you how to calculate size of all the folders in a specific path recursively. If you would like to calculate the folder size of a specific path or directory, then in that case, first of all, we need to make sure that any cPanel account performing this should have shell access or SSH access. First of all, log into your SSH at root or the user level and then run following command. After typing here the path to directory, you need to type -d space 1. Here, D means directory. You can replace this D with F if you would like to know the size of file only. Now in this way, you will be able to see the size of each and every folder in that specific path. If you are looking for a reliable, experienced and expert hosting provider, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you. You must give a try.